everyone. So it's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon and I'm heading to the bank because I'm going to ask about sending money abroad. Kaming mga OFW or white collar in Taiwan, hindi na kami makagamit ng mga remittance app or even doon sa main store nila, hindi pwede magpadala.
2700。
好，
它这个是可以抽出来的。
哦，OK。
电子就 OK 了，它放在那上面。哦，如果要做的话，就可能差不多一样的高度，会主动到班的，它给人很高。的40，嗯，
我要2个，
这样的。
谢谢。Apples，谢谢。
不会，80，那个果汁70，
对
150，谢谢。那也直接给你，
谢谢阿姨，
谢谢，
拜拜。
拜拜。
Got my watermelon drink. So, kanina nanggaling akong bank and then nag-inquire ako kung paano magpadala internationally and then sabi nila if I'm going to send 100,000 NTD sa Philippines, meron siyang fee na 600 Taiwan dollars, which is good. They also asked me about my 2 passbooks, so kailangan ko siyang dalhin if I'm going to send money to the Philippines. And yeah, I think I'm going back there next time. So anyway, nag-inquire lang naman ako kasi kaming mga Filipino dito sa Taiwan, especially if you are a white collar, wala kaming masyadong options na remittance kapag magpapadala. Meron kaming isang ginagamit na app which is yung FEE or FEE. Yun na lang yung pinaka ginagamit ko these days. Kasi yung EEC and SET, hindi na siya pwede for us. And by the way, here are the things I bought from the train station. Pakita ko lang. First one, pinili ko itong mga socks. Yeah. This one is only 59 NT. I think Lahat sila 59 NTN. Suot ko na yung isa. Socks. And then, bumili ako ng extension cord. And this one, so cute. Lalagay ko to sa bathroom. I bought one pants because wala lang. Kasi ang ganda ng kulay niya. And this one, I think this is good. Kasama na ito. Ganito lang. And ang pinaka-purpose kaya punta akong train station, ito. What's inside this bag? Clover, Filipino snacks. Cheese. And all-purpose cream. Sinigang mix. And one condensed. Can you guess what I'm going to do with this stuff? And of course, the last one, it's a bit heavy. This one! Now, alam niyo na kung anong gagawin ko. Actually, I'm going to bring all of this. Itong mga pang fruit salad, yung ingredients, sa bahay ni Carlo. Punta kami sa bahay niya tomorrow and I'm going to make this for all of us because we're going to have a simple Christmas party. This one is fine. Pero baka hindi ko rin ito kakainin. I also bought 2 apples. Ilalagay ko ito dun sa fruit salad. It is now 3 p.m. And samahan niyo akong ayos ang mga gamit na to. Oh, this is how messy I am. I'm going to change this. So I want to take this.
Where's the bell?
Ito na nga eh. Basta nakikita naman.
Kasi may mga...
Ay! Ay!
Relax.
No using lift. Yeah! Pero naka-video para alam natin. Ano? Ay! Are you sure? You can change your mind.
Really?
Yes. I'm gonna count 5. 1,
Okay, this one.
2, 3, 4,
Nag-change na ako.
5.
Ah!
Who's next?
Jason!
This one.
Are you sure?
This one.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Why now?
1, 3. Are you sure you're not gonna change your mind? 5.
Okay. This one?
Are you sure? Are you sure? Which one?
Okay, this one. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Okay, 1,
Line open!
3, 4, 5.
Yeah!
Kasi nyo sa akin yan yung video.
Speaker! Wow!
Okay.
You like it?
Fisherman's cap. Fisherman's hat, right?
Yeah!
Okay. How
Do you
about
know sack race? Do you know sack race? Do you know what sack? Have you tried sack race?
Do you know what kind of tree is it?
No.
Yeah, but
Balete?
banyan tree.
Banyan tree.
Banyan yan.
Ang ganda!
Let's imagine.
Magja-jog siya dito.